Good morning, you all. So rainy day in Portland, Jamaica, right? So it's a rainy day, so we're going to see what we can vlog about. Welcome to the weekend. All is well. Let's go. No, sir. Them acting at the morning, yeah. The aftermath of Fort Antonio. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, I know say have fruit, but I don't want none of that this morning. Me have video, yeah? Alright, good. Hey, oh, everybody outside, everybody. Let's go in the market. No money for going in the market yet. Morning. Ah. This is what's up in the market. Oh, the aftermath of the market. I don't have no money. Why am I in the market? Yeah. No, sir. Them acting at the morning, yeah. Right at S's, that's so. Rotted. Right at S's. S's, that's a name, not true? What? I don't know. Oh. It's a rainy day in Portland, but guess what? We're moving right along, right? Yeah. Like, oh, not going, you know? So people may not reach home yet. And I really want to talk about cost of living. Let me tell you something. It's no joke out here, you know. Out here, it's not no joke thing. Man, I don't know how I would manage if I had children. Because, I don't know. It's rough. But we gotta make it. Yeah, we'll make it. We'll make it, man. We'll make it. We are gonna make it. We have to make it. Welcome back to the channel. I'm home. Honey, I'm home. Thank God. Lord, rain or fall. And I am so happy that I don't have challenges like I had before. So I buy this thing, people. This thing we put on my shower head. Yes, so I'm gonna put it on. Let me switch it. Okay, finally, people, we get it gone. So I have a shower head. Yep. It is cheap, but who cares? Yeah. So I need the thing for a year, so now. So things are come together, little by little, alright? So we have more, you know, so enough fall, so you wash your hand underwear in your bathroom. Yeah. What's the big deal? What's the big deal in that? Yep, so yay! At $350, I think I pay for that something there. Yep. Thank God. $350. So people, you know, sister, you don't have to buy everything one time. If you no can afford it, you just buy a little thing and work with that. Alright? No excitement. I buy something else, but I'm not sure. No, this messes. I joke, I'm sure. No. I think this have a 300 and it's a mat, bathroom mat. 300 and how much we pay for it? $350? Or 330. I don't remember now, but I should take one next one because this have a little dirty look on it. What this is? Why me smell something like? Smells something like something burn. Anyway, this is the mat. Look nice. Not bad. Not bad. I have. So this is a plain gray. This is gray, and it is not so expensive. But little by little, I should not. Why this? What smell like something burning? What the hell? Oh my lord! Smell like something burn. Or me? Seriously? I gotta look if I kid up on a tree. Okay, I know if a girl wants some ackee. Oh, but it rain come now, Sylvia. Mama! Mamoy! Evening! Alright. This is the same price as the other one. Yep. See, I buy them little people. You see little. I have to buy them enough, my love. I put it right so that they go on. Yep, so me get ackee people. Me go. We have ackee tree in my yard. And so it a open. And now the best thing ever happen. Me love when ackee are open because you know say I not every day open in seasons, right? So yep. I say me pick my ackee them and they fold them, me curious I come for eat my ackee, you know. I tell you, I know plenty me get 4 pads, but that's okay, that's enough for me. And you know who, my mama, because I had some before, so I'll just put what I have on that. All right, so let me show you what me have.